Hello everyone, I'm Shreyash. Our project is titled BioTwin, the Dual Biotreatment System. This is BioTwin, a hybrid system where fungi and microalgae work together to purify wastewater. Now, my teammates will help explain our prototype.
Stage 1, the microfilter. The first unit is the microfilter. It's built using a transparent container as the main chamber. Wastewater enters through this funnel at the top and passes through the layers where the fungi grow. The mycelium traps dirt, absorbs heavy metals and breaks down organic waste. The water then seeps out to the base of the container, ready for the next stage of treatment. This simple system helps reduce pollution without using electricity or chemicals.
Next comes the photobioreactor unit. Inside this container, the microalgae grows well in water that's been partly cleaned up by fungi. The unit receives light from this LED lamp for photosynthesis. It absorbs CO2 and nutrients such as nitrate and phosphate, leaving behind the cleaner and reusable water. On this side, the tube is connected to the air pump to supply air and mix the culture well. Additionally, the dried algal biomass can be converted into biofuel, making it a dual purpose.
Now let's understand the working of this project.
बायोट्विन एक ऐसा ड्यूअल फिल्टर सिस्टम है जो गंदे से गंदे पानी को साफ करने की क्षमता रखता है। यहाँ एक साइड पे फंजाई और दूसरी साइड पे माइक्रोएल्गे के यूनिट्स हैं। माइक्रोफिल्टर में फंजाई वेस्ट वाटर की गंदगी और हानिकारक केमिकल्स को फिल्टर करता है। अब स्टेज 2 फोटो बायोरिएक्टर में माइक्रोएल्गे पानी में से न्यूट्रिएंट्स और पोल्यूटेंट्स को अब्सॉर्ब करता है। साथ ही यूज्ड एल्गे से बायोफ्यूल भी बनाया जा सकता है। इसे गार्डनिंग, एग्रीकल्चर में और वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट की तरह इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
Okay, now let's talk about the combined impact of these two units. Together, the algae and fungi treat the wastewater effectively. Both the units rely on biological processes instead of electricity-heavy machines. They are low cost, easy to replicate and scalable, whether in rural communities or urban green projects.
Now, I'd like to share the innovation and vision for our project. This project promotes Samriddh Bharat, a prosperous India built on sustainability and innovation. By using locally available materials like plastic bottles, coconut husk and fungal cultures, it also supports local for local. And that was our project demonstration. We thank you for watching.